What's going on, guys? Francis Abogonye here today with another beautiful tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can make money in Nigeria, about $100 and above with affiliate marketing. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them, because subsequently I've been busy with other stuffs and I'm now fully back to doing videos. I'm going to be putting videos at least 1 to 3 every week for you guys, helping you guys do entrepreneurial journey. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic of today. So here we're looking at a website called ninjatechguide.com. Take for example, someone goes to Google and search Techno phones or Samsung phones or whatever, and they finally land on this website. Now, how this person makes money on this website is due to these banner ads all over here. Some of them are AdSense, some are placed by the website owner, maybe some of them are for affiliate product. Most of them are for affiliates, like this Jumia is for affiliate and all those cool stuff. And also this is also for an affiliate. Now this is how this person make money off. Now this is how this person make money off this website. Now when somebody comes to this site and look at Techno phones and they see these stuffs and they like this phone and they want to purchase it, either on Jumia, you can buy this on Jumia or on Konga. So when you click this link, it takes you straight to Jumia. And when anybody purchase this phone, or when someone purchases this phone, they get a commission of it. The owner of this website gets a commission because he embeds his own unique affiliate link here on this website. So this is how he makes money. This is one way to make money from a website. You build a blog around a particular niche and embed an affiliate link to the website, and you drive traffic to your website, and wherever anybody clicks your affiliate link that is embedded on your site and purchase the product, you get a commission. Now on Jumia, I think Jumia gives around 4 to 11%. Now the first thing you should do is come to jumia.com, then come down here and to this section where they say become an affiliate partner. Become an affiliate partner. Yeah. So when you click here, you sign up for the affiliate program, you register, you advertise, and you earn commissions. They pay up to 11% on a order a customer make within 30 days period on clicking on your unique link. So you just embed it on your website and you get paid like that. You can do this also with Konga. All you just have to do is come to Konga and sign up. Just come down here and click become an affiliate for Konga, sign up, get your own unique link and put it on your website, and whenever somebody purchases whatever you're selling on your niche, you get a commission of just doing that. Another way in doing this, if website is too complicated for you, another way you can do this is through Instagram or Facebook. Let's take a look at this Instagram account called Slayers Only. All they do on this account is to post beautiful women, beautiful ladies, hot pictures, and ladies like beautiful things. So they have embed their affiliate link on the bio. Whenever you click this link, it takes you to AliExpress, which they are also an affiliate for. So to achieve this on Instagram, all you have to do is to create Instagram profile and around a particular niche, and build up a following, and post pictures, post videos around a particular niche, and put your affiliate link on relating to the niche you create on the bio of your Instagram account. Also, you can also do this on Facebook. Just create a niche, focus on a particular niche, and post around that niche, post about the topic. It can be pictures, it can be memes, it can be ads and all that, and all those cool stuff. You can just post on the Facebook account around that niche, and drive traffic and build a following on your Facebook page as well. Then put maybe your website link or the website link you are doing an affiliate for, or you can cloak your affiliate link and put it on a post, and whenever anybody clicks on that link and redirects them to the website which you are affiliating for. So just doing this trick I showed you right here, you can make decent amount of money in Nigeria with affiliate marketing. So all you need to do, guys, is just to take action and keep crushing it. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. I mostly do entrepreneurial videos and how to make money videos online and help you succeed in your entrepreneurial journey. So I would like to hear from you guys. Just leave a comment for me in the comment section down below and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.